Where's he come from? Not starting. Oh, he had a fight with his barber.
He's finishing up the haircut. He just comes out of nowhere.
You nearly got flattened.
What have you driven so far?
Nothing. He's done the whole car? No, I've done just the back.
So, yeah.
Now I'm happy.
Good morning guys, and welcome back to the Pinnacle Detailing YouTube channel. We have been pretty quiet on YouTube over the last year or so. We've just been super busy in the background, just growing the business and getting to where we are at this stage. If you are following us on social media, Instagram, you'll see exactly what's been going on and how far we have actually come in the last 12 months or so. But yeah, so we're back on YouTube, ready to post weekly content for you guys. So the plan is every week posting out a video just showing exactly what goes on at Pinnacle Detailing, behind the scenes, a lot of stuff that you don't see on Instagram, social media, just raw footage of what we get up to here, of the highs, the lows, the jokes, it's everything. We thought just put everything out for you guys and just see how this goes. But yeah, without further ado, let's take a quick walk around and see what's going on this Monday morning at 11 o'clock.
So today we've got a Toyota Bellfire and it's getting an enhancement done. So right now we're in the prepping stage. As you can see, one is just been we're going to do a contact wash for the whole body, jet off. We've been pulling inside, which we'll show you guys later. But this is part of the prepping process. In enhancement, it takes us, it depends on how bad the vehicle is. It could take us a minimum of a day. And then we have to put something on to protect that paint that we've just basically shedded off. So we'll either put like a ceramic wax on it, or our popular package, which is our ceramic coating.
Yeah, it's almost lunchtime, so before lunch let's quickly go through what we've got here. So an RS5 2015, it was in with us about a month ago for content PDF. But yes, it was in for this checkup after 4 weeks of the film being applied. We were pretty happy with it. There's a little bit on the bottom of the curve, there's lifting on one edge, but it's all been completely rectified. We left it sitting there over the weekend and it's completely fine. It's not lifted over the last 3 days, so we're happy with that. That's not going to lift now. But yeah, the car, 2015 car with 10,000 miles, absolute pristine condition. Over here we've got a 2015. Actually, they're both 2015, and if you look at the condition of the two, it's nice. This is probably with about 200,000 miles. But yeah, this is today. We haven't even touched this one yet. This is a good friend of ours. He's a stock job, so I bought the car just to see what you can do with it. Paintwork is pretty bad on it, so we're going to see what we can do with it. It's either going to be, if we can get away with an enhancement detail, we will. But I think it might need like a correction, so at least a 2 or 3 stage, just to cut down more of the paint and remove more of the scratches. That is absolutely terrible. It's like someone's been washing you with sandpaper. But yeah, we'll fit this in wherever we can. At the moment this week our calendar is pretty much full, but we're going to see if we can squeeze it in for him anywhere. I'm just going to pop outside and see how these boys are getting on.
Huh? Don't drive. What? Can you contaminate the car? Oh yeah. What have you driven so far?
Nothing. He's done the whole car? No, I've done just the back. I forgot that we were doing a thing.
So far?
What is for lunch? I use my chili point with carne on this.
See, normally when we greet each other in the morning, it's like, good morning, how you doing? With him, it's like, what are you having for lunch today? Crazy.
So guys, the outside of the car is all done and clean, all prepped. It has now come inside. I will show you the condition of the inside of the car. What's going to happen to it now is a deep interior clean. Let's have a look what's inside.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing in here?
As you see, it's very comfortable.
This will make the perfect road trip car, you know.
Yeah, it will.
So yeah, we're doing an interior on this. As you can see, it's got very bright colours inside, so we need to make sure we restore it, bring back the colours to it. We'll show you around what we're doing on this mat. So first thing we've got is an upholstery cleaner. So we'll spray that all around the carpet. making sure that the solution is actually getting everywhere. It's quite a thick carpet. And the next thing we do is get our drill, which we've attached these little bristles onto it, and we'll give it a clean. Now that's all done. Now we need to make sure we get all the solution, all the soap out of it, and also extract as much dirt as we can, and then we can have a look at it and see if it needs doing twice or maybe 3 times. So guys, you just see the process on how we clean the carpets out. Now this one's done, we've got one more to go, so we're going to crack on with that.
So this car has now turned up. Ford Mustang. What's the model of it? You know the model of it?
I ain't got a clue.
It's electric, that's all we know. It's an electric car, and what's this having done?
Getting an enhancement and a ceramic coating.
Enhancement and a ceramic coating.
So what would you see this plastic on the vehicle? So this is not plastic, so this is okay, but plastic, you can't actually polish plastic because
Unpainted polish. Unpainted plastic.
unpainted plastic you can't polish. So this is unpainted, but it's still black, so it probably was painted, but not properly painted. The science, there's science behind it, but I failed science in school. So what we do is we tape it all around the edges, so that we can protect it, so that no polish residue can ever go onto it, which will, if it does, it would damage it. So protecting up the whole car. Normally there is plastic in the grills, the number plates. This one's got plastic around it, but usually you find them on like the door sills and stuff. Yeah. So they will all get taped up before we can actually do any polishing of any sort.
Customer is picking the order 5 up and is happy with it, and then rebook it for a few extra bits on it. But yeah, another happy customer.
No problem. What's the collection name?
Sahayal.
I'll be ready in 10 minutes. Thank you.
That's fine. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
That's lunch. Ordered.
Oh, that's so.
Where does he come from? Oh, dangerous.
You didn't know how
Dangerous
close he
guy.
came? Are you still not watching? Look at him. Oh, he didn't even come back up.
Oh, you cool there?
You alright, yeah? You alright? You need to go flattened.
So almost 3 times.
You know, I'm one over here. He's a natural at this, not me.
Huh?
He's a natural at this. No, all 3 cans please.
Alright, check that plate out. I'm on. Mine is the K though, that would have been a perfect plate for me.
It's like I'm on, okay.
I'm on, okay.
I'm on K.
I'm on K.
K.
Yeah.
No, I'm on it, I'm on K.
Now, you know what? We need a PD. PD1, PD2, PD3.
Who's in PD1?
You, obviously.
Fight over it.
No, you, it's only right you get PD1.
What's going on here? Marcus is like mad.
Yeah, it's only right you get PD1 because you are the CEO.
So who's in PD2 then?
PD2, technically me because I was here before.
Oh yeah, you're technically you were actually.
Yeah, and Kamara PD3. So Kamara, hopefully you're alright with that. Let's make some money for it.
We should use some pasta.
Oh, you should.
You can't put PD2 on your push bike, can you? Oh, I'm tired already.
Hey, we haven't even started yet.
I've been sat in the office all day.
Chilling.
I've been real hard work.
Yeah, the real work. Me and Kamara, obviously, no graft at all.
I've been spending money. That's what I've been doing.
He's spending money. He's a spending money department.
Yeah. Got no money at the moment.
No money.
Money's gone. So got
got money for lunch. We got money for nothing else.
So guys, if you want to book your cars in, book it in right now.
Money.
Yeah, DM us on Instagram, pinnacle.detailing, and we will make sure your car's looking gleaming. Or if you got like a supercar or like an expensive car or whatever car, it doesn't even have to be a nice car. We PPF that, everything. Make sure it's looking all good and protected from the road, the stone chips and stuff. Isn't that right? Yeah,
That's right.
so
I think I'm one to be a salesman. I think he needs a promotion.
yeah, and a pay rise.
Pay rise. I'm saying I've got no money and he's already asking for a pay rise.
You don't ask, you don't get.
So this is Governor's chair. You had a cover on it, but you got covered in paint when we were decorating this whole unit, and he refused to get rid of it. It's a perfectly fine chair. Look at it. Well, I'm taking the cover off. We're gonna wash it, see if it helps. But oh, it's so comfortable. Trust me, this chair is one of a kind. You know, this is for memories where it all started in the garage. Yeah. Now, where are we gonna put it?
Just leave it there, man. Showpiece.
We'll clean half the carpet and do like a 50-50 suppose.
Yeah, I think we coat half of it as well.
We coat fabric by the way, guys. Ring it. We do your actual seat coating, fabric coating. So when you sit, you need to let it far off. Don't get dirty.
The smell, it beads off. The smell beads off on it.
Yeah. Out into the window through the ventilation.
I'm starving, bro.
What are you gonna do about this one? The Tiguan?
That's getting wheels refurbed tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Then once the wheels are refurbed, see the interior on it and then send it back.
You gotta go.
Resend it.
Cool.
That's the cleanest Tiguan you'll find. If everyone wants a Tiguan, all space, 70 R9, pan roof, mint condition, 40,000 miles. 1K per lady owner. He actually was, my wife drives it most of the time.
So guys, before we carry on with work, we're just taking a little lunch break. What we're going to do is, for everybody that comes down with their vehicles, we are in the process of getting a board made. So the board will be like up there. What's going to be on that board is going to be fastest lap times on the Silverstone circuit. Now we've got a nice little simulator all set up. When it focuses, which it does not want to do, but that's okay. There we go. But yeah, it's a nice little waiting room, so we'll wait for the boys to come in. He's always flexing him.
I was focusing on this vehicle in particular, whilst you two were polishing the Mustang. So what I'll do, obviously it's in for a deep interior, if you guys forgotten. Vacuumed the whole car, and then I started with the steamer, which gets all the dirt out and the dust out from the vents and etc. All the tight gaps and stuff. With the all-purpose cleaner with the brush, scrub it all over the door and everything. So that's what I got done on this side. Tomorrow we're going to start on the left-hand side, and we're also going to do the carpets as well, as the carpets are really in a bad condition. So we're going to fix that.
This has been fully polished now, this Mustang, or I'm just going to call it a Ford because it doesn't really look like a Mustang. What we've got left now is some panel wipe. So we're going to get rid of any like residue of polish that's on the body, and then put the ceramic coating on the vehicle, and then leave it to cure overnight, and then back again tomorrow, get the interior done, have a look, make sure that all the ceramic coating has been wiped off and that there's no any residue of that left. Just go over the whole vehicle inside and out, just make sure it's all done, and then car's ready to leave the unit, and then on to the next.
You did? What are we up to?
Where are we going? Going on a little trip.
Going ready for road. Will you do that? Let's put some laps up and down.
We need a car.
Let's go get SVR.
Let's go get SVR.
It's 6:30. We were about to go home. Had a call from I rang one of our customers who's dropping off a Range Rover SVR for tomorrow. We've done car. He's going to confirm that for us now. Yeah, so he said, look, if you're going to pick the car up now, it'll save him the run in the morning. So yeah, it's making it easier for him. He's literally 5 minutes from our unit anyway, so he's going to go pick that up. So we just come get the SVR from one of our very regular customers, also one of our friends. Here is the SVR that we're collecting. It's what, 7 PM?
Nearly 7 PM.
Nearly 7 PM. We officially close at 5.
Yeah.
But
at Pinnacle Detailing, we don't have no official closing time. We're active.
Well, the phone lines close at 5, but
Phone lines close
we
at
don't
5.
close at 5.
Yeah.
Been go today, and yeah, I think we'll leave it there. I think we're all tired. Time to go home and recharge, and we start again in the morning. Cut. Okay, so it's Monday morning. We're here bright and early.
It's fully Tuesday though.
So Tuesday morning, another busy day planned. See it coming for a mini detail. I'm just gonna get started at that, and then if you follow me outside, we have a Bentley Bentayga, which is in for a mini detail as well. The SVR from yesterday is here. That needs to get prepped for 3 PM. And then over here we've got an RS8, which has just been prepped as well. This is getting a correction detail and a 5-year ceramic coating and an engine bay detail as well. So yeah, we're going to get that started on that one today. So it's a very busy day again. So let's get to work.
It's all been go today, hasn't it?
Yeah.
RSQ, well, we're just on that.
So there's going to be a video coming out, a separate video after this one. So this is the weekly, what we're getting up to during the week, the nitty gritty, the behind the scenes. But we are doing as we mentioned, I think we've mentioned it, a paint correction on the RSQ8. A full video will be coming out on that, so stay tuned for that video. It'll be a full process, the ceramic coating, the whole process, how we get the paint look.
We're also doing a whole separate video on the SVR that's outside as well that we picked up yesterday. So stay tuned for that. Our YouTube channel is getting active now. Make sure you let us know what you think of the videos. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and let them know Pinnacle Detailing are about to take over. Yeah.
We're not staying for lunch then?
We caught that camera, yeah, where we said he's ringing, he's gonna ask about lunch.
See, I'm not the only one that asked about lunch.
Whatever.
What about variety bites?
You can do.
What's good from there? It sounds
Yeah,
nice.
baguettes, the chicken baguettes are fire.
Yeah, I mean they do meals and that though.
Yeah.
Yeah, just get them. Just do that.
You know my order, Sale?
Yeah, same as last time, yeah?
Yeah.
Sorted, no worries.
Take it. Thank you very much. Take it. Okay. So that's lunch on its way, guys. So yeah, okay. So
Now I'm happy. We're all happy. We're all happy.
So that's lunch finished. Now it's Aman's second break in his office. He'll be there for a few hours. If I keep this rolling, he won't be out in the next 10-15 minutes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to carry back on with the RSQ8. What's going to happen to it is we're just going to give it a quick rinse, so then we can start the decontamination process.
So tints are going on the office door,
Yeah.
and your car as well.
Yeah, so the car's getting tinted. Got a Sharky. Did all the tinting for us. Got him down. He's just using the plotter as well, so just to get the perfect sizes for the office door. So get cutting down here, so perfect size, basically. So before we polish a car, we measure the paint on every single panel just to see how much paint is on there. So we don't know the history of this car. For all we know, this car could have been polished 10-15 times in the past, and there's literally no paint left on there, so we need to make sure there's enough paint on there for us to polish. The last thing we want is to start polishing and burn through the paint. So what we do is literally each panel, just put the measurement on there, and it tells you the panel is aluminium and there's 131 microns of paint on that section there. So we take about 5 on each panel. Generally the readings are pretty uniform unless the car's been repaired or had some sort of polish work done. The app gives us an average reading of the whole paint, and then it gives us the maximum and the minimum. So we generally look at the minimum. As long as it's above a certain threshold, we can go ahead and carry on polishing the rest of the paint.
So I've done the carpets, I've done the steamer and everything. Now I'm doing the seats. I'm using the leather cleaner and the scrub pad. The front seat, the driver's side seat was really dirty, and now there's a big difference to it after I've used the leather cleaner on it, so it's looking good.
Taking the vents out from the bonnet.
Okay.
It's going to get PPF front end, so what we do is we have to take off what we can. So that way the film's actually going to go sort of tuck underneath the vent. Because we've taken it out, we can get rid of all the dirt under there. So when we are applying the PPF, no dirt sort of creeps out and gets into the film, just to get the best sort of finish as possible. And I'm just going to see if I can get these vents out as well. If I can, that would be even better. And then also on the front end of this, we're going to remove the badges, so the film is literally flush, and then fresh badges over the top. That's basically what we're doing.
So you're going to be prepping this now?
Yes, this is going to get prepped today. Well, this was supposed to get started today, but you know, we were busy today. So yeah, I'm going to prep it in pocket side, and we're going to get started tomorrow Thursday. This is the RSQ8 that came out of nowhere. It's a bit of an urgent job, so what happened to the C-Class? Were we supposed to start today as well?
C-Class standard.
Actually, forget the C-Class. You know, if you go back to yesterday, someone was like, oh yeah, that valve fire, we're going to get it done by the end of the day. What happened there?
Aman, care to put some light on that? You've been working on it.
It'll be done today, I reckon.
No, it still needs the full polish.
It needs a polish.
Which too much going on. Probably start on Thursday now, but the customer's in no rush. So
He's in a rush.
we'll start on Thursday.
The customer's got about 5 cars waiting for us.
Yeah.
So as soon as that one's ready, drop another one off.
We're gonna crack on, get back inside, carry on working. It's only 4:20 yet. We close at 5, but we finish at like 8. That's the Pinnacle motto. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Master is gonna call you for the card machine, right?
Take up 40 days. Thank you. Cars all tinted, office doors all tinted. Yeah, so this is about to start talking. My man over there started polishing.
Yo!
Hello! Yo! 1 second. Alright, so end of Tuesday, I just thought I'd give you an update on what's been going on today. Starting off with the wildfire. This one, the interior is fully complete now. Tomorrow we are going to start the polishing on that one. At the end of tomorrow, that one will be fully complete and ready for collection. So with the RSQ8, we've started the cutting stage. We've done about half of it so far. So the cutting stage is what gets rid of the deepest swirls and scratches. So half of that's done. We've got the other half of the vehicle to complete, which we will get done tomorrow. Once that's done, we'll then go over it with the finishing stage. That will really give the paint a nice deep glossy finish. Once that's done, we'll apply the ceramic coating and give the interior the deep clean as well. And then the final car that we've got left here is the SVR, which we were prepping for PPF. There's been a bit of a change of plan with this. As we were prepping it, once we've taken off the front number plate, we realised there's a few patches of paint that are missing. So obviously we can't really PPF over that, it will cause a few issues. So we've made the customer aware of that. He's going to take the vehicle back tomorrow and get the front bumper repainted. Okay, he's going to get it rebooked in with us at a later stage, and we'll complete the PPF then. The only other car I think we've got on site is outside, which is a C-Class. Still need to bring that inside. I'm going to go get that now. That one, we are aiming to start it tomorrow, hopefully, and we should have that finished by end of Thursday or latest by Friday morning. But yeah, even though this job's sort of been postponed, we've got a few other jobs lined up for tomorrow, which are going to be replacing it. But yeah, that's the end of another busy Tuesday, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow.
So guys, it's a Wednesday morning. We're back in the unit. Mom's just come in. He's bought a lot for himself today. So what we got going on today, the SVR, as Zahel mentioned, it's going, it's not getting its front end because of the paint that's peeled off the bumper here. So that's going to be just getting the interior done quickly, and then the customer will come to collect this and take this back. RSQ8 still with us. We're still going to be doing the cutting stage on this today. As you guys can see, half the car is done and half of it isn't. So we'll crack on with this today and carry this on. Fully complete this today, as the customer will be coming tomorrow morning. The Velfire is completed from the inside. We've just got the outside to polish up now, but the C-Class is, we finally got a chance to start on this today. We'll be doing the interior on this first today, and then yeah, we'll see where today takes us.
So stage 2 polish has been done on the car, on the exterior obviously, and now
Obviously.
cut that. What's this guy doing?
Give me 5 minutes.
He's sunbathing with no sun.
No, they're lights. You know they did the tab.
Oh yeah.
You know those lights. I'm catching that light. You don't know where that light is. This hard floor is 6 feet back though, you know.
Well, in the morning I was in my office all day. I had loads of stuff, background stuff to do, just admin. Had my lunch and then I jumped out and had these boys. With the RSQ8, we've done all the polishing on it. We're just doing the panel wipe on there, so just to get rid of any polishing residue. So when we do apply the coating, it sticks properly. And once this is done, what are we doing after this? Interior, Mon's already jumped on, he's starting that. Once I've done the panel wipe, I'll jump in and give him a hand as well. And Gumar's having a bit of a break, but he's on the Velfire polishing the outside of that. The inside, that's complete. We were supposed to start the C-Class today. That's got pushed back again to tomorrow, which 100% with that will definitely get started tomorrow. 100%, 1,000,000%. That's definitely going to get started. Since Monday, were we saying that yeah, we're starting it today?
Since Monday, I think Gummer mentioned it earlier. While at the beginning of this of today, he said, "Oh yeah, we're going to start this today, the C-Class," but we haven't.
It's 7:30. What are you still doing here?
Applying ceramic coating on this car. The customer's in urgent need of it. He wants to come and collect it tomorrow, so we'll get it all coated up today, let it cure overnight, and then yeah, the customer can come in the morning and pick it up.
So I think we're going to leave Wednesday there. We've not managed to record much footage. It's just been super busy. All the cars we are waiting are getting finished or have already been finished today. The Range Rover SVR is done. That's getting picked up tomorrow. The Velfire is all done. That's getting picked up tomorrow as well. And the RSQ8, as Gummer just mentioned, we are just finishing the coating on it, and that's going to get picked up tomorrow as well. And then the C-Class, finally we are going to start that tomorrow. So let's call that a day and see you guys tomorrow. So Thursday morning, 9 o'clock, first job just to warm up the cars and get them all parked outside. The SVR is getting picked up shortly, so that can get parked outside. The C-Class is going to get started today 100%. And we have the RSQ8, which is going to get collected shortly as well. But the Velfire is ready for collection too. So let's move a few cars around and get the day started. Good morning.
Morning. What time is it? Yeah, morning.
So must have been since 9 o'clock.
Oh, you know what? I finished what time yesterday?
About 8ish.
Yeah, I was tired now. I couldn't get my hair cut, so I was at home, slumped out. And then yeah, we're back today. So we're just doing the final touches, so just cleaning up the glass and giving a one last look over inside. And then we've got a job sheet. I don't know if you can see it through the windscreen, so we're just gonna go through the checklist, double check, add a bit of tire shine onto the car. Customer will be coming 11 o'clock today, I think. Yeah, 11 o'clock to come and collect the car. We'll try and get him on camera if he's not camera shy, get his thoughts on the car.
Morning guys. I came a bit late today, man.
At least your boss ain't strict, eh? So this is another service that we offer, headlight restoration. So this steamer came in with sort of faded headlight. It's very cloudy. So what we do is we sand it all down, wet sand it, and then we polish it back up. So that reveals sort of fresh plastic underneath, and it's, as you can see, it's clear again. What I'm doing at the moment is applying a ceramic coating on there. Because once we sand it all down, all that UV protection that's in that plastic is completely removed. So we need to add protection on there again. So we're adding a ceramic coating on there. So with this will prevent it fading again. If we didn't apply a coating, within a couple of weeks, it will look cloudy again.
Right, I'm putting the C-Class in the wash bay. We're going to start at that finally. I was going to say, who's seen a manual C-Class before?
I have, you know.
Come on, you look, it's got enough stickies in there.
Nah, we need one more. Just there.
I feel one more there, can't we? Shall I go get it? Yeah, so I'm going to stick the number plate back on the RSQ8. So we should take some of these off and stick it back on.
This is enough. We just stick it there
Stick
like
the whole
that.
thing in the middle.
Yeah, my stick. I don't know, man. It's RSQ8. Sometimes they go like over 30 miles per hour. So.
Yeah, you might fly. I thought over 30 miles an hour. Got any super glue?
Really.
I'm over here.
Need to really
Do you make camera side?
close it. You need to close it.
Yes, this customer just dropped off an E-Class. He's going to get a deep interior clean. This is probably the first job for today. We'll wash the outside first, then go into the interior. And then we've got another car coming in at 12 o'clock. And then in between we're going to jump onto the C-Class as well.
So guys, the customer's just come over and he's just having a little look. As you heard, he would put a little caption there what he just said. He's happy with the car, just doing his final checks. And then yeah, on to the next.
So as you just saw, the RSQ8 customer is happy and has now departed, and another customer has just arrived, the Porsche GT4 for a mini detail. It's all happening. What amazing timing was that?
Yeah, so GT4 is coming for a mini detail. We're going to get started on this first before we... You know what? I reckon that C-Class is not going to get done today.
We even parked it in the wash bay, ready for it to get washed.
So Hel's trying to figure out the ghost on this car. I've just told him the code, but there isn't really one. So let's see here.
What was the code?
Left 3 times, once right.
Left 3, 1 right.
Yeah. And then start it, and then the thing will click. Foot on the clutch.
Are you serious? Ignition on.
And then start the car.
No.
It's not starting. That means it is a ghost, but I don't know what it is. I was just messing with you. It started like that fine before. There's no ghost. I don't know if there's a ghost. I was just messing with you for the camera. Maybe ring him. I didn't know if there was a ghost. He didn't say there was a ghost.
Wait, you were already running?
He was already running on a jump. Yeah. There has to be a ghost.
So this Q3 has come in for a mini detail and ceramic wax, which Gomer is applying on right now. We leave this on for about half an hour before we can wipe it off. Come tell them more about ceramic wax.
So ceramic wax is basically an alternative to the ceramic coating. Somebody who doesn't want to get the ceramic coating done, we offer ceramic wax. The only difference is it's not as good and it doesn't last as long either. So for somebody who just temporarily wants to get their car protected from like tree sap and etching and stuff, ceramic wax is the way to go.
GT4 is still here. Sarah's been working on this. What's this GT4 coming for?
So this was in for a mini detail. So the outside and the inside clean. In addition, we cleaned the Alcantara. So steering wheel, Alcantara, around the gear knob, seats, door cards. That's all been done as well.
Right guys, I'm off to get some lunch because we are starving. We need some food in our systems.
E-Class, we've just finished washing it. Just gonna dry it off and bring it inside and then start the interior detail on it. One of our friends has just arrived. We'll introduce you to him now. He's from Very Sure. He organised one of our alarm system at the unit. I'll pass you over to him and he can explain what he does. And if you need an alarm system, make sure you give him a call.
How you doing? My name's Akil. Just an alarm system for Pinnacle Detailing. So what we do is we do a 24/7 monitored alarm system for businesses, residential houses as well. We're offering some good summer holiday discounts as well. So if you guys are interested, do give me a call, 07542 864 637, and I'll be there wherever you want.
7 o'clock, we're still here. We had a customer drop off 2 cars, an M5 and his friend's RS4, 2 old school V8s. They were arguing over whose is louder, so they had a little rev battle, seeing as there's nobody else on the estate, it's only us. This is old school, this is my generation. But yeah, we're gonna start on the C-Class. Finally, it's only me and Aman here, come on, it's gone. Finally, we're gonna start on this now, get it all prepped for polish. And park it inside and start the polishing in the morning. The E-Class is done. Customer's picking that one up in the morning. But yeah, I think we'll probably just leave today's video here. I've got about another hour's worth of work. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning and welcome to Friday. As you saw, it was a pretty late one. I ended up finishing about 9 PM from here. The C-Class is all prepped and ready for polishing. We're just gonna get a few cars out. Thought we'll get you a cold start as well.
Wedding last night, hence the haircut, but yeah, busy day, innit? We got this RS4 coming in. It is booked in next week for its paint correction and stuff, but we thought we'll get the interior out of the way. We have started on the C-Class, which is somewhere there in the back.
Fresh fade, fresh cut. Look at it, it's got cat scratches, everything. So, show us. Yo, he had a fight with his barber.
G? Yeah, that much. So if you look at the boot lid, yeah? This is what its original condition was in. So this right here, so look at it from this angle, maybe you can probably get it there. So this was the original condition. Now we've done just a stage 1 enhancement on this side. And this was with the 2-stage paint correction polish. So this is the customer, to be fair, he bought this car to sell it, so he doesn't necessarily want to make it 100% mint, just better than this what it is. So we sent him a few pictures over. He's happy for us to go ahead with the full paint correction on the whole vehicle. So we will be doing that on this, basically the same thing what we did in the RS3, but this won't be getting ceramic coating, it's just gonna get a ceramic wax put on. And then yeah, finally this car will be done and ready to go. So yeah, what's gonna happen, this car's gonna get finished, we're gonna get it all done ready. And the customers are going to pick it for about another week. Yeah, probably. I reckon that's probably what's going to happen, isn't it? Yeah, we need to figure out when we can schedule this one for its interior. Still got interior to do on this yet. Yeah. To be fair, when the track was getting polished, this can get an interior done.
But I'm going to teach them why the polishing.
Huh?
Oh, you blew interior.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about. You're not doing it.
Just getting my cash crashes in, you know.
You had a fight with his barber yesterday.
Yeah, you know what, he's a cheat on
I was on the phone to him yesterday. We was at the barber's. Yeah, what was going on? He goes, yo, that stings at this.
He's just done the blade thing and that, yeah, and he's just finishing up the haircut. Like, he just comes out of nowhere, yeah, with one of those lemon sprays and stuff.
Oh,
And I was like, yo.
makes it smell nice.
Yeah, man, he stings his legs like aftershave, but he's bob sick, you know. He puts cream on after and give him full massage, everything. I'll go to Brian on the type today, I'm late for it. When are you going to go?
Full massage, everything, happy ending, everything.
No wonder he's loyal to his barber.
So yeah, sequence finally started. We're just finishing off the cutting stage. The front bumper to finish. Common's got the back bumper to finish. And then we start the finishing stage on it. But yeah, I think this is looking like it's gonna get done today. Finally.
Finally, yeah.
Got done. You got done eventually.
Currently 3 o'clock. It's lunchtime. If this focuses. So it's lunchtime. Our friend has come down.
Who's your friend?
I'm on. We eating, man. We eating, bro. Akil's camera shy.
We're trying to eat.
I reckon that's fully my dad, you know.
So today it is 5 o'clock. Still not done though. Lines are closed. We're not closed as usual. What have we done? Yeah, a good friend of Keel's came over. The excuse was that he's come to clean his car, but I think there was an ulterior motive.
You made me wash it myself every time anyway.
Well, we watched you put him on today.
We've got another guest in today. I don't know if you've seen this Golf R around.
Zoom into it,
I'll do a proper close-up shot just for you.
Zoom into the number plate, put it up.
Number plates for sale if anyone's interested. And you put the best food in Birmingham, the best Asian food, go to the Peace Restaurant. Put the best burgers, go to Burgery.
Everyone's getting shout outs.
And it's one of the best 360 booths, 360 moments.
And for the best detailing, so
Car wash.
So Sarah's just going to confirm with the customer if his car is definitely coming tomorrow morning.
Yeah, he didn't answer, but I'll give him a call back. So it's Bentley that we do every single Saturday. I normally do confirm with him every week that we are definitely doing it. Occasionally he's out of town or out of the country, so just confirming that with him. But yeah, we've got quite a few cars booked in tomorrow. Nafis, his Golf car that you just saw, that's booked in for tomorrow as well. Bentley, if that comes in, she's got the inside of the C-Class to do as well, so that'll get done tomorrow. And the customer who had the valve fire, he's collected that and he's dropped off another vehicle for us. It's some import 7-seater, no idea what it's called, but yeah, you'll probably see that in next week's video now. But I think we'll probably call that the end of Friday, 5:15. We've just got to rinse the C-Class off and apply these ceramic wax in there. Once that's done, it is the home time for us, so we can get a fairly early day today.
Hi guys, Saturday morning. We're here bright and early. It's 9:30 and we're starting Nafis's Mark 8R. Every 2 weeks, Nafis comes and gets his car cleaned to make sure it's looking gleaming.
This Golf R is about 2 years old. The customers had it since new. When it first got delivered, it came straight to us for a new car detail. So what that consists of is a light machine polish. What that does is remove any light blemishes in the paintwork which may get caused by sort of transport or just prep at the dealership. Following that, we then apply a 5-year ceramic coating to the bodywork. We remove the wheels, we coat all the wheels, we coat the glass, we coat the interior. So literally everything is coated on this car. This coating on this car is about 2 years old, and we're the only ones that maintain this car. So as Aman said, every 2 weeks the car comes back to us for its regular maintenance, and that has been the case since new. So for the last 2 years, it's always come to us. So I'll just demonstrate how well the coatings are holding up just by spraying a bit of water on there, and you'll see how nicely it beads off.
So if you want your car ceramic coated, or if you're getting a new vehicle delivered, the new car details are a perfect package for you. Give us a call 0121 295 660 and we'll get you booked in.
So it's just gone past 1 p.m. We've done the inside of the C-Class. Finally, we got around to doing it. We started it yesterday and I think it's fully done now.
Fully done. I just got the glass left machine on it.
Yeah, just the glass.
Then it's all ready for collection.
CLA has arrived. That's the last car of the day. It's got that's also a mini detail. So yeah, it looks like it's going to be an early finish today.
No, it's not.
Is it not?
I'm still gonna mop the floor.
Oh shit. What I mean, I'm on. We are going to mop the floor.
But we've only got one mop, unfortunately.
Do we? Oh, we both hold the mop at the same time. No? You hold the bottom, I hold the top. Both do.
How about I supervise? I'll hoover, you mop. How about that?
What are you gonna do?
It's all the loose dirt on the floor.
Alright.
Sounds like a plan?
Sounds like a plan to me. But yeah, I'm gonna crack on with the CLA outside. Are you giving me a hand with that as well?
Yeah, I'm just gonna wipe tape down, put everything back in the C-Class, and then get everything taken in.
Beautiful job sheeting up. Just remember, I'm gonna put that in now. And yeah.
So every week we fill in and whatever jobs we are coming in for that coming week. So this is for next week. For detailing, we're completely full for the whole week. We've got cars booked every day, so we're completely full. We can't take any more detailing jobs in for next week. Maintenance is like interior details, detail washes, mini details. We've still got some slots available. We've just had a Mercedes SLK get booked in for Thursday. So that's, I'm putting that onto the calendar now. So then at the beginning of every week, we know exactly what's going on. And obviously Oman, Qamar, they can just come in here so they can see exactly what's going on for that day as well. This just helps keep track, just so we know exactly what's happening.
Vacuum's done. What about the mopping, sir?
We need to get a machine to clean this floor.
100%.
I've cleaned, I mopped out that section there. Taking it out of me.
And it's bare hot.
It's way too hot today.
It's like 26 degrees out there.
I reckon it's close to 30. Putting everything back in now, end of the week, final episode. Well, final day of the week, end of the first episode. If we'll do any more, we don't know, that all depends on you guys. We'll see what the feedback's like on this. We've heard this was a bit of a spontaneous one, we weren't even planning to do it like this. We thought today, well, this week was going to be pretty busy, so we thought let's just see how it goes. So yeah, if you enjoy it, comment below, make sure you share this with your friends, like, subscribe, all that malarkey. And yeah, if you will like it, then maybe we'll see you again for another week at Pinnacle. But for now, from me, Aman and Qamar, see you guys soon.
Qamar's here in spirit.
Yeah, just yeah.
Yeah, he's invisible.